Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. You need pencil, paper, or you need marker color. Start with a small oval or circle for the duck's head. Draw a larger oval shape, slightly overlapping the head for the duck's body. Make it more horizontal to resemble the rounded body. From the head, draw a small triangle or a sideways oval extending downward. For the beak should be narrower at the base where it attaches to the head and widened at the tip. Connect the head and body with two curved lines, or you may round it 3 and 4. Draw a small circle near the top of the head for the eye, that is optional. Draw another circle for the duck's head with another duck's baby. Draw a curved line to represent the wings. Make the wings slightly pointed at the end and curving down towards the body. Then add colors. First you add the black color inside the beak to create an amazing. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Below the body, draw two short straight lines for the legs, that is optional. At the bottom side, draw the zigzag line that shows the water. Add blue color inside the duck's baby, that is sitting on the duck's back. Smooth out the lines and erase any unnecessary overlaps. Add any additional details like feathers, lines on the wings. Thanks for watching this video.